What up, everybody? It is Mr. Rock and Roll coming at you today with, oh boy, do we have some fun today. The song Motorocker by Motorocker. As you can see, I'm officially a fan. And check it out. Back there. You didn't see that? We got a new shirt. Hey, I've said it before and I'll say it again. Big thank you from Marcus. I think that's how you say your name. I apologize if that's wrong. And to Brazil. You Brazilians are awesome. We're just going to jump right into this song and enjoy it with a new Motorocker stuff. So let's go!
De furacão, pelo vento agora eu vou. Mais uma cidade, outro palco, outro som. Mais um dia me alimentando mal e sem dormir. Relatos de força e coração, invencível rock and roll. Me chamo Motorocker.
Boom, son! Hey, yo! Yo! Oh my God! Ah! Yo! Hey! I've heard this song many times, but now it's got a whole new level to it. Look at that! Look at that! Is that not cool? They sent that to me. Ah! Bro! Evil Pine, too. That hat that's on the wall. It's their record company. I think. And if it is, thank you, too. Wow! This song's great, man. This is like listening to AC/DC in Portuguese, but they got their own spin on things. That's why I love them so much. Let's go!
O cara preta nos carrega pelo império do asfalto. Perto de todos, mais longe de casa, é o diário de bordo. Não é uma vida pra qualquer uma vida rock and roll. Me chamo Motorocker. 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 Rock and roll Brasil. Me chamo Motorocker. 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 Do sul ao norte, do leste ao oeste.
Bro, did you hear the guitar solo? With that, he's on my wall now. Boom. Yo. Y'all need to go listen to this band. They are amazing, dude. I was a fan before. I'm really a fan now, as you can tell. Bro. God. This band needs more recognition. Go help them out, please. This song only had like 500 views on it. That is a tragedy. You hear? Let's keep going.
Somos mais que só exército e vencível rock and roll. Yeah! Me chamo Motorocker. 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 Rock and roll Brasil. Me chamo Motorocker. 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 Rock and roll Brasil.
Oh, the end of that song. Motorocker. Whew. Oh. What a good song. Yo. This band, dude. Salute. Ooh. Ooh. Brazil. Is there a thing? There's not. There's a Brazilian flag on that hat, but I wear this hat. I'm going to put that hat on my wall. Wow. Okay. Just a quick thank you to Motorocker for sending me all this. I got a whole bunch of other stuff too. It's super cool. This band is awesome. Go check them out. Not just for me, but for them. And you guys want to stick around? You want more Motorocker? I got you. Leave it in the comments. That was English, wasn't it? Stick around if you want to. Hit subscribe and go to Gold Team and Patreon. Help me eat. I will see you guys next week. Bye!